Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about how to touch a woman to turn her. Unman guys often miss the mark when it comes to touching a woman in the right places. So today we're going to share with you 6 places most guys miss when it comes to turning a woman a number 1 hair messenger. Air massage is an intimate activity that can enhance physical intimacy between partners, particularly at the kissing stage. When giving a hair massage, it's essential to touch the back of the partner's head and massage under their hair. Be running your fingers through their hair and massaging the back of their head. You can give them a semi-orgic sensation that is highly pleasurable, only allowing your partner to you with their nails. On the back of your head can be a highly sensitive and enjoyable experience. You're looking to turn your partner on before heading to bed. Giving them a sensual hair massage can be a great wide Odusin number 12th neck. The neck is a very sensitive area and a great place to start when it comes to turning a woman on. Start by lightly running your fingers along the nape of her neck, or by kissing and nibbling gently on the sides of her neck. This will send shivers down her spine and get her in the mood number 3. The ears are another sensitive area that most guys overlook. Whispering sweet nothings or sexy messages into her ear or gently licking and nibbling on her earlothus will make her feel desired and turn to number 4th lower back. The lower back is a very sensual area that many guys miss when it comes to touching a woman. Placing your hands on her lower back while you're dancing or standing closer to her, or even giving her a gentle message in this area, will make her feel relaxed and marupon to your advanced numerives, the inner thighs. The inner thighs are a very intimate area that can be varicing for a woman. Running your fingers lightly up and down her inner thighs or kissing and nibbling on this earthis will get her in the mood, and Makahar want my number 6 feet. Many guys forget about the feet, but they can be a very sensual area that can be incredibly arousing for a woman. Massaging your feet or gently kissing and nibbling on their toes. This will make her feel pampered and desert conquest that you have at it. 6 places most guys miss when it comes to turning a woman on. Remember, the key to turning a woman on is to start slowly and build up the intensity. Be afraid to experiment and try new things, but always pay attention to her reactions and make sure she's comfortable with what you're doing. Thanks for watching and good luck.